From there, we go to problems that are likely to be experienced by those who get married at an early age. Let's say today you get out of school and you get married. What are the issues that you'll have? Yes, you are from here, yes? Sorry? Yes, that's number one. You have to drop out of school. You cannot be have a wife and you're here. You will always think you are of the same age with the principal. He can't tell you anything, you're just there. What are you doing that I'm not doing? Yes! That's why students should not marry. Yes, another reason. This group here, you've not talked. Say something. Why? Problems that are likely to be experienced if you get married early. Don't want to talk. Yes? Yes, very good. There are financial constraints. Remember why there are challenges on finances is because you've not completed school or your university to be in general. So, that means that you don't have what? Money. Or you cannot get employed easily. And if you get a job or you get work to do in order to earn that income, it is of a low pay. So that's why you might have financial constraints, or you might not have a good base. You know, if you married at this age, also you need to educate your wife. It's your responsibility now. How are you going to get the money to educate your wife? You expect your parents also to take your wife to school. And also raise your child. That's what it means. So there is that financial constraints. There is also they might realize later in life that they married the wrong person. Because now you are very young. So the decisions that you're making now, you later after university you realize that most of the things that you did now, you are making wrong decisions. If it was not concerning education, you discover most of them are wrong. So that's why you might realize you married the wrong person. Because it's early and you're young, it means that also you might not be able to deal with the challenges of marriage. In those houses that people live in, especially in urban areas, there are very many conflicts. The couple that is fighting, how old are they in that marriage? How old are they? They never went, most of them even never went to high school. They cleared class 8 and they married. Or the husband is the one who went up to what? Form 4, right? And you took Form 2 dropout. Or class 7. That's why you're fighting. You're not at the same education level. You're not. So that's why you're fighting, because you are one of them is so young. And then children that are born out of these marriages, they become a burden. Because I don't understand why people don't realize when you give birth, this is a human being that is fully depending on you for food, depending on you to pay school fees. Everything, even the behavior that they'll have, it's from your behavior. If you cannot be able to, you are an alcoholic, they will copy. Why is the challenge of drug abuse rampant? If we could just ask, how many people here are drinking? How many people their fathers are drinking? You'll be shocked. You as a parent, and I'm telling you today for the sake of learning, you will not tell your son in the future not to drink if you're drinking already. You will not tell your son not to chew that mirror, or is it the leaves? Yes, if you're doing it, you won't. If you're hanging out, you're going for a bash or you go hang at night, you won't tell your son, leave the house. They won't understand. They'll just be looking at you. The youth, they learn more from what you're doing than what you're telling them. We usually go, let's say on Sundays, we go to eat out. We go to the eateries. We eat. As we are eating, the dad says, oh, bring the big soda for the man. When you're older, this is daddy's soda, alcohol. And this is your soda. When you grow up, you will drink daddy's soda. and then you think, oh, he'll forget there's daddy's soda. They've already seen. They're growing up knowing there's daddy's soda and my soda. When I grow up, I'll take daddy's soda. And you think these things don't affect you? They affect. That's why I'd rather you go to Steers where there's no alcohol near, or you go to Nando's, somewhere you can take alcohol, you just eat. And if daddy wants to go take big piece of soda, you're not seeing. Or in your house, you keep alcohol in the house. When I'm not home, my son will drink. What is the reason for him not drinking? Because you said it is for me. They'll just drink and put something. Yes. Why are you bringing alcohol in the house, even if it's your lifestyle? Why? And you have children. You are not ready to have those children because the skills that you're calculating are not. Those are the problems. That came about because of, now I told you, the children become a burden. Because now you have to drink in front of them. You still want to have that fun, and yet you are a father. If you are a father, take the responsibility of being a father. You are a mother. Why are you drinking? You said bringing forth children. Stay at home. Women who are married stay at home. They stay at home and do what? And do the chores there and stay with their kids. Why do you want to go out? You never went. What were you doing in the university? What were you doing after campus? Now you are married. Stay there. People are not ready